Brown ones, right? You see, it's very thick. So we use that to make coconut milk out of it, which we use the coconut scraper here, but inside we call this katai ku. Katai means rabbit and ku means scrape inside. So of course in English we call it coconut scraper. Simple as that. I don't know why they have to add that. So then mix with just some water inside of it, stir around and squeeze it. That's all your coconut milk out of it here. But of course you cannot drink it because it has too much fat inside. Not very good at all. You see? It's all that coconut milk. And then once she squeezed out of it, right, that coconut can be used to clean the floor, Thai house, because it still has a little bit of oil inside of it. So keeping the wood nicely clean and polished as well. So, right, smell, okay? Not drink it. Smell that, coconut milk. Today we're going to be making some green curry. Do you like green curry by chance? No, too spicy, isn't it? Right then. So this is lemongrass here. There you are. Can you pass them on to the people and let them smell? Okay. Have a smell of it. Smell it. Lemongrass is very good for repelling all the mosquitoes. This one's very good. Or even put it into your house if like smells a little bit bad. You can use the lemongrass here. And then this is galangal, not ginger. Here, this is galangal. Ginger will be this one here. This is ginger. Here, this is galangal. And then this is turmeric here, so. Different completely. And then this is kaffir lime here as well. Kaffir lime. Do you know tom yum by chance? Tom yum. You know tom yum?
Tom yum soup?
Yes, tom yum soup. Do you know the leaf, right? That gives a little scent it has. That's the one here, the kaffir lime with it. Yes. Normal lime would be like this.
Yeah, and then the other one's like a bubbly one.
Yes, you can see. All the ingredients, right, that you just smell just now, right? We'll go into the pesto and mortar, thank you very much, in there, and then start pounding it. Which there's a Thai legend that says, if there's a Thai lady, right, doing like this, just pounding, boop, boop, very loud like that, and a Thai man downstairs, the Thai man would want to marry her. Because he knows she's a very good cook. That's why you can see pounding it. To make the colour of the green curry, we can't forget the green chilies. The green chilies is what makes the colour, the green curry. So if you don't have that, it's not green curry.
It's just going to be like
normal curry. Yeah. Nothing. So then mix it in, put some holy basil inside of it here. And then, of course, we're going to see a little bit of magic for yourself here. Over here, right? What colour is it now? What colour is it? White. So if I put the curry in, right? That. Right. Turns green because of the green chilies, right? Right, have a smell of that. Oh, lunchtime for me. Right, smell of that. Oh. Curry and then some pea aubergines as well here, as you can see. Yeah, small one. Yeah, small one. That's an aubergine as well, just a bigger one here. Not like the purple aubergines that you usually get all the time. These are Thai ones here. So as you can see, too much mash she's done here a little bit. So if you notice the floor of the Thai house in the kitchen, it's different, right? So what we do...
Yeah, that'd be good for curry, just to drop down.
Yeah, it drops down. And you remember Quack Quack, right, downstairs? You do the job, eats it. Yeah. You eat it. All chickens would be downstairs eating as well. And do you feel your feet, the air coming up to your feet as well? Keeps the house cooler as well all the time. And then whenever your mum, right, is cooking something, right, and she wants to see what you're up to, she can see as well. Going downstairs, what you're up to, like a security.